No, I didn't scratch it. What are you talking about? I screwed up the door again. The golf cart's fine. I went through the door. That's the same thing I did last time with the other golf cart. Let's see what I did to the door. Yeah, but this door was already broken because I ran the other golf cart through it because it had no brakes. So now I gotta fix the RV.
So this is another day, Sunday. You need a new license, new driver because it's a new car. He just crashed the door to the kitchen.
Did you press record? Oh no, you're kidding me. She friggin' got out. Chloe, hey, hey, hey. Look what you found, the skull of something. This is what she pulled out. I don't know where that goes, but that's where she went. Chloe! Chloe! That's it. She's gone. There's no way I can get in there. Chloe! And unfortunately, she slipped out of the collar, so the GPS is not on her. We found her. Well, who found her?
Well, she saw her and I saw her too.
Who do we have?
She came to me.
Who do we have here?
My name's Bill.
Bill from where?
Palm Harbor.
Palm Harbor. Thank you so much for the help.
Yeah.
I honestly thought she was gone. She doesn't. Oh, she doesn't listen. She
Yeah.
doesn't listen. But thank you. So what? You said you race cars?
Yeah.
And you have a shop around here.
Yeah, just right over there.
What's the shop?
It's not a repair shop. It's
Oh,
just
for
my
your
brother.
car.
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome. Hey,
Yeah.
thank you so much.
problem. No
Greatly
problem at all.
appreciate it. So we did it. How do you feel? Adriana started crying, but so did I. Glasses. How you feel?
Better now, thank you.
Chloe, how do you feel?
She's happy to run away.
And I have a transmission leak. So I have no transmission fluid, so let's fix the next problem here.
Proceed to the route.
You want to stay here and watch the dogs? Make sure they don't run away. We still have Chloe. Okay, tell everybody what just happened.
We ran out of gas.
We were driving. I had, where does it say? Let's see. It was just saying 16 miles to empty, but it literally shut down when I just...
So lucky we just managed to arrive today.
It literally shut off when we pulled into the gas station. What a day it's been. Holy cow.
Houdini after escape. And nearly lost. I nearly lost. We was crying. Because Chloe's so naughty. Chloe's so naughty, naughty, naughty. Look. Who will think that Chloe's so naughty? Look. Chloe, naughty, naughty.
Look.
Do you have anything else to say?
We're getting rid of the dogs. We're getting rid of the RV. We're gonna take a car, stay in hotels.
Okay, bye-bye. Hasta la vista.
So what happened was as we were pulling up the hill over there to come into the gas station, I'm looking for diesel. Couldn't find it. It ends up being over there. So I've been walking over there with the tank, but it shuts down right here, almost in everybody's way. Where'd she go?
This is our life.
What's our
mean,
life?
What happened today is our life.
Yeah, it's our life.
I mean, that's why you always do videos with your real life. That's why it's going on today.
Yeah, that's what's going on today. Okay, now, so basically what ended up happening, I mean, like I said it already, I mean, we just literally just shut off right here. So I had to take a walk around this to see if this is a dead end or if it like loops into this, whatever, this oil change place, but it does go out on the street, so.
Thank you, God.
Yeah, exactly.
Thanks to you, baby.
Thanks to me.
Because
Well,
you find everything, though.
Yeah, but I'm the one that would have got us in trouble. You would have been having to walk to get the gas while I was watching the truck.
No way, Jose. No way, Jose.
Why not?
Not even with the scooter. Maybe in the golf cart.
Oh yeah, actually that's true.
In the golf
I forgot about that. We could have taken the golf cart out. Oh, that would have been great. How do we explain that to the cops?
It takes a bit of suffering, sleepless nights and wandering, before you make it safely to the end. Before you make it safely to